Hey guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this fantastic Harley Davidson 1250 Pan America special. So this one is a 2021 on a 21 plate. It's done 5,349 miles. And if you've done your homework on these, you'll see the spec is absolutely incredible. You get a full colour TFT display, you get your different power modes, you get ABS, you get your traction, you get cruise control, but you also get fully electronic adjustable suspension, heated grips, and with the suspension as well, you can actually manually change it up and down with the electronics. It's fantastic. You get cornering lights, full Bluetooth, Brembo monoblock brakes, and like I said, just the electrics. If you have a good read of the description, you'll see everything on it. It's absolutely bonkers. Cornering lights, spotlights, it's got absolutely everything. They're a fantastic bike. So they've got the new 1250 engine as well, so the torque on them is incredible and they're super smooth to ride. So like I said, have a good read of the description. They're a fantastic bike. Give us a call, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes if you want to get it bought. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.